Have you ever wondered how our ancestors cooked without fancy ovens or instant pots? They harnessed the power of nature itself, using time as their secret ingredient. Today, let's rediscover the ancient art of slow cooking, using the sun, wind, smoke, and even the cold to create incredible flavors. First up, solar cooking. Imagine a simple box, insulated and covered with glass, angled towards the sun. Inside, the sun's rays are trapped, slowly raising the temperature. This isn't about high-heat searing. It's a gentle, hours-long process. Vegetables soften, retaining all their nutrients and sweetness, while tougher cuts of meat become unbelievably tender. It's a quiet, patient dance with the sun, resulting in a meal that tastes like pure sunshine. Next, let's talk about the wind. For centuries, people have used wind to dry and preserve food. Think of jerky or dried fruits. The constant airflow slowly wicks away moisture, concentrating the flavors to an intense degree. In coastal regions, salty sea breezes cure fish, giving it a unique, savory taste. You can't replicate any other way. It's the ultimate low-energy cooking, letting the air do all the work, transforming fresh ingredients into long-lasting and flavor-packed treasures. Then there's the magic of smoke. Cold smoking, done at very low temperatures for days, doesn't cook the food in the traditional sense. Instead, it infuses it with complex, aromatic flavors from smoldering wood chips, like hickory, apple, or mesquite. This method cures and preserves, adding a deep smoky dimension to everything from salmon to cheese. Each bite tells a story of the forest, a flavor profile that's both ancient and sophisticated. Finally, we have cold itself. In Arctic regions, freezing was the original preservation method, but it's more than just a way to stop fermentation in cold environments, like making gravlax, where salmon is cured with salt, sugar, and dill, uses the cold to control the process. This slow transformation develops a delicate texture and a rich, complex flavor that is truly sublime. It's a testament to how even the harshest elements can be used to create culinary masterpieces. These methods cooking with sun, wind, smoke, and cold remind us that great food isn't always about speed. It's about patience, connection to the elements, and letting time work its magic. It's a culinary journey back to our roots. So next time you're in the kitchen, maybe think about slowing down and letting nature lend a hand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into natural cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary adventures. See you in the next video.